Camping, backpacking, hiking, just being in the outdoors gives us a chance for adventure. And of course, the opportunity to buy some really cool gear.
Here at Bare Minimum, we love innovation and we're changing the way you eat outdoors.
Camping has significantly evolved over the years. The sleeping bag has gone from big and bulky to small and light. The lantern has gone from heavy and dangerous to light and bright. The cook pot has gone from this to this. Cooking on the trail hasn't changed much until now. Introducing the Bear Bowl, a super lightweight collapsible cooking pot designed for hikers, backpackers, and preppers. It's made of a food-grade flame-resistant material. The deceptively small container can fit 32 ounces of water. The 4-inch base makes it easy to use with a variety of heating sources. We chose an aluminum base because of the heat resistance, durability, and weight.
So you're asking yourself, why do I need one of these? Well, let me tell you. It's about the size of your wallet and it weighs less than a cell phone. Hello, Mr. Bear? With 4 folds and 2 snaps, it's so simple to put together you can even do it during a bear attack.
Easy.
Barring any unfortunate bear attacks, you can take your Bear Bowl from flat to cook in no time. Well, at least as fast as it takes a bear to get coffee at a drive-thru.
so much money because I don't have to buy plastic bottled water. And I'm healthier because I am more hydrated with high quality antioxidant and alkaline water. And I feel more energy. I feel healthier from the inside out.
This is how it works. You add your water to the bottle, and within minutes it increases your pH up to 9 to create alkaline and antioxidant water. This is great because much of the water we drink is acidic. This is all possible through the patented replaceable VitaBead diffuser that also microclusters the water, making it more absorbent to enhance hydration. The VitaBeads within the diffuser are made of a proprietary blend of all natural minerals, primarily composed of magnesium, and lasts up to 315 refills.
The world is getting smaller and more of us are traveling to distant and remote places. When we travel, one of our biggest challenges is how to guarantee that the water we are drinking is safe. There are currently dozens of personal water filters and filter bottles on the market that claim to solve this issue. The problem is that water filters only trap bacteria and cysts that then remain in the filter and continue to live and multiply. This can add up to a major health concern. In addition, water filters do not eliminate or even trap waterborne viruses that are really the biggest concern of all. To be truly protected from bacteria and viruses, water must be purified, not just filtered. Meet Pure2Go, the most advanced, unique, and multifunctional true water purifier in the world. Pure2Go kills bacteria and viruses instantly, on contact and on demand, while also completely eliminating waterborne cysts such as crypto and giardia. There is absolutely no waiting time or preparation required. As contaminated water passes through Pure2Go, it is purified instantly, without the holding time or procedures other true water purifiers require. Pure2Go can be used by one person or multiple users. With cleanable and replaceable insert cartridges, it can be used over and over again for many years, and more importantly, it can be stored for long periods without the same danger posed by filters. How did we come up with this design? Over nearly half a century, Water One has provided ultra-pure water to science and industry and premium bottled drinking water to customers throughout the world. An industry innovator, we developed a proprietary water purification media, ViroBac, that kills bacteria and viruses on contact and on demand. So why is this different? Pure2Go's insert cartridges provide 3 tiers of filtration and purification. With a flow rate of up to 16 ounces per minute, contaminated water undergoes 3 separate filtration and purification steps, ensuring the water is completely safe to drink with no danger from any pathogens, including viruses.